I'm here in Raceland, Louisiana. We got a little hive of bees in the box in here of this house. And pretty little hive. We're gonna remove them, put them in a new box and bring them home. So the goal is always to save the bees. So here we go. Having trouble with the camera, always having trouble with the camera. It's hard to deal with this camera sometimes. So let's see how they're gonna behave. Hopefully I don't have to go put the bee suit on. So they only been here a few weeks. So far so good. Some nice big bees. Buzzing my head down. You can see the brood. The comb's hard enough, I can handle it. It's not too soft. So there's 5 layers of comb there. And we'll see. Shook it a little too hard and broke a piece off, but these bees seem pretty gentle, so it's definitely worth saving. So we got Miss Cat's class in Stevensville, Louisiana. The 6th grade class wants me to give them a shout out. So we're doing this removal here for Stevensville Elementary 6th grade class. There you go. South Louisiana. You gotta love it.